Wolf. Author Selzer-McKenzie. The grey wolf or grey wolf, Canis lupus, also known as the timber wolf or simply wolf, is the largest wild member of the Canidae family. It is an Ice Age survivor originating during the late Pleistocene around 300,000 years ago. Left square bracket 3 right square bracket DNA sequencing and genetic drift studies reaffirm that the grey wolf shares a common ancestry with the domestic dog, Canis lupus familiaris. Although certain aspects of this conclusion have been questioned, including recently left square bracket 4 right square bracket, the main body of evidence confirms it. A number of other grey wolf subspecies have been identified, though the actual number of subspecies is still open to discussion. Grey wolves are typically apex predators in the ecosystems they occupy. Though not as adaptable as more generalist canid species left square bracket 4 right square bracket, wolves have thrived in temperate forests, deserts, mountains, tundra, taiga, grasslands, and even urban areas. Left square bracket 5 right square bracket. Though once abundant over much of Eurasia and North America, the grey wolf inhabits a very small portion of its former range because of widespread destruction of its territory, human encroachment of its habitat, and the resulting human-wolf encounters that sparked broad extirpation. Even so, the grey wolf is regarded as being of least concern for extinction according to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, when the entire grey wolf population is considered as a whole. Today, wolves are protected in some areas, hunted for sport in others, or may be subject to extermination as perceived threats to livestock and pets. In areas where human cultures and wolves are sympatric, wolves frequently feature in the folklore and mythology of those cultures, both positively and negatively. Grey wolf weight and size can vary greatly worldwide, tending to increase proportionally with latitude as predicted by Bergmann's rule. In general, height varies from 0.6 to 0.95 meters and 26-38 inches at the shoulder. Wolf weight varies geographically. On average, European wolves may weigh 85 lbs, North American wolves 80 lbs, and Indian and Arabian wolves 55 lbs. Left square bracket 6 right square bracket. Though rarely encountered, extreme specimens of more than 77 kilograms, 170 pounds, have been recorded in Alaska, Canada. Left square bracket 7 right square bracket, and the former Soviet Union. Left square bracket 8 right square bracket. The heaviest recorded grey wolf in the New World was killed on 70 Mile River in east-central Alaska on July 12, 1939 and weighed 79 kilograms, 175 pounds. Left square bracket 6 right square bracket. While the heaviest recorded wolf in the Old World was killed after World War II in the Kobylyaksky area of the Poltavsky region in the Ukrainian SSR, and weighed 86 kilograms, 189 pounds. 9 right square bracket. Grey wolves are sexually dimorphic, with females in any given wolf population typically weighing 20% less than males. Left square bracket 10 right square bracket. Females also have narrower muzzles and foreheads, slightly shorter, smoother furred legs, and less massive shoulders. Left square bracket 6 right square bracket. Grey wolves can measure anywhere from 1.3 to 2 meters, 4.5–6.5 feet, from nose to the tip of the tail, which itself accounts for approximately 1/4 of overall body length. Left square bracket 11 right square bracket. Grey wolf skeleton. Grey wolves are built for stamina, possessing features ideal for long-distance travel. Their narrow chests and powerful backs and legs facilitate efficient locomotion. They are capable of covering several miles trotting at about a pace of 10 km per hour, 6 miles per hour, and have been known to reach speeds approaching 65 km per hour, 40 miles per hour, during a chase. Left square bracket 12 right square bracket. One female grey wolf was recorded to have made 7-meter bounds when chasing prey. left square bracket 9 right square bracket. Grey wolf paws are able to tread easily on a wide variety of terrains, especially snow. There is a slight webbing between each toe, which allows them to move over snow more easily than comparatively hampered prey. Grey wolves are digitigrade, which, with the relative largeness of their feet, helps them to distribute their weight well on snowy surfaces. The front paws are larger than the hind paws, and have a fifth digit, the dew claw, that is absent on hind paws. Left square bracket 13 right square bracket bristled hairs and blunt claws enhance grip on slippery surfaces, and special blood vessels keep paw pads from freezing. Left square bracket 14 right square bracket scent glands located between the wolf's toes leave trace chemical markers behind, helping the wolf to effectively navigate over large expanses while concurrently keeping others informed of its whereabouts. Left square bracket 14 right square bracket unlike dogs and western coyotes, grey wolves have a low density of sweat glands on their paws. This trait is also present in eastern Canadian coyotes which have been shown to have recent wolf ancestry. Left square bracket 15 right square bracket wolves in Israel are unique due to the middle two toes of their paws being fused, a trait originally thought to be unique to the African wild dog. Wolves have bulky coats consisting of two layers. The first layer is made up of tough guard hairs that repel water and dirt. The second is a dense, water-resistant undercoat that insulates. The undercoat is shed in the form of large tufts of fur in late spring or early summer, with yearly variations. A wolf will often rub against objects such as rocks and branches to encourage the loose fur to fall out. The undercoat is usually grey regardless of the outer coat's appearance. Wolves have distinct winter and summer pelage that alternate in spring and autumn. Females tend to keep their winter coats further into the spring than males. Fur coloration varies greatly, running from grey to grey-brown, all the way through the canine spectrum of white, red, brown, and black. These colors tend to mix in many populations to form predominantly blended individuals, though it is not uncommon for an individual or an entire population to be entirely one color, usually all black or all white. With the exception of Italy, in which black wolves can constitute 20 to 25% of the entire population, melanistic wolves rarely occur outside the North American continent. Left square bracket 17 right square bracket according to genetic examinations, black coat color is based on a mutation that first arose among domestic dogs and later migrated into the wolf population via interbreeding. Left square bracket 18 right square bracket a multicolor coat characteristically lacks any clear pattern other than it tends to be lighter on the animal's underside. Fur color sometimes corresponds with a given wolf population's environment. For example, all white wolves are much more common in areas with perennial snow cover. Aging wolves acquire a grayish tint in their coats. It is often thought that the coloration of the wolf's pelage serves as a functional form of camouflage. This may not be entirely correct, as some scientists have concluded that the blended colors have more to do with emphasizing certain gestures during interaction. Left square bracket 6 right square bracket. At birth, wolf pups tend to have darker fur and blue irises that will change to a yellow, gold or orange color when the pups are between 8 and 16 weeks old. Left square bracket 19 right square bracket. Adolescent wolf with golden yellow eyes. Wolves' long, powerful muzzles help distinguish them from other canids, particularly coyotes and